Hi, I'm Charlotte Sparkle and today I'm doing tie-dye shirts. The tie-dye kit includes rubber gloves, elastic bands, some dyes, and also you will need a few t-shirts and a washing up bowl. Let's get started! So first, what I'm going to do is get this t-shirt and dunk it in lukewarm water from a washing up bowl. Put it in for a minute, sink it in there, and then take it out and scrumple to get rid of all the water. Now we're going to do it with the next one. And there's all your three done. There is 3 designs. You can spiral the t-shirt, stripe the t-shirt, or crumple the t-shirt. With this one, I'm going to spiral it. To spiral your t-shirt, you pinch it in the middle and then you spiral it all the way around. All the way. And now I'm going to put some elastic bands on it. You should use 3 or 4 of these elastic bands. You don't want to do too many.
2 very boring minutes later.
Really? That's actually meant to come out as a spiral.
1 hour later.
And that's that one done. And the next one. So with this one, I am going to do it striped. So you fold it this way, and then you turn it over and fold it that way. Turn it over, fold it that way, turn it over, fold it that way, turn it over, fold it that way, turn it over, fold it that way. One more time, or 2, I don't know. Fold it over. What is that? Okay, I'll try that. I can do this one. This one's easy.
10 seconds later.
Use these elastic bands. You might need to use a bit more of these this time. You're going to tie it like a little loads of handkerchiefs tied together. Finally, you've got this one left, and I'm just going to crumple this one. You just get it all together and crumple it all up. And then you put elastic bands over it, like the spiral ones underneath it. There we go. There's our 3 designs. That's spiraled, that's striped, and that's crumpled. Now, you need to empty the bowl out, but I've already done it. Now, you need to put your rubber gloves on. Went the wrong way around. Okay, perfect, right? Now you're going to handle the dye. So you're going to take the cap off, the whole thing off. Now you're going to get your jug of water. You're going to pour it. I'm going to use purple and turquoise dye, my spiral one. So mix in. So now I'm going to grab my spiral. Is that spiral? Is that spiral? I can't tell.
A little later.
So what I'm going to do is get my bowl and get my spiral t-shirt. Put it in the bowl. And I'm going to get my dyes and use my blue one first. I can't get a little cap. Oh. turn it upside down and do it on the other side. I'm going to put the lid back on because I don't want the dye to spill. And then I'm going to use my purple one as well, so it's purple and blue. So you have to leave this for 4 to 8 hours. So you want to put it in a plastic bag. And leave it for 4 to 8 hours. And put it somewhere cool so it doesn't get warm, because that will make the dye not as colourful and make it fade away quite a lot, so the dye won't show up. I'm going to put this one safely in the bucket and start putting the colours all over it. This one is fuchsia, which is a pinky colour. And I've also got yellow. That one's done. Remember, try to put them in quite cool places so they don't warm up. Now I'm going to do my last one, and I'm going to do all 4 colours. And this one's a crumpled one. So let's do it. So after the 8 hours or 4 hours or however hours between 5 and 8 hours, you will take the elastic bands off and they should be dry, and you need to wash them twice in the washing machine. And you should, I think, be done. See you later, guys.
More moments later.
This is the spiral tie-dye t-shirt and it's finished, and we put it through the cold wash and here it is. Isn't it great? Let's put it on. Wow, isn't it cool? Yeah. It's so cool! And let's try the next one! Whoa, this one's cool! Yeah, it's so cool, I love red! This one's a stripy one! Let's do our last one! My favourite one! The scrunched up one! Wow, this one's my favourite! It's so colourful! It's got all my favourite colours on it! This is my favourite scrunchie and it has tie-dye on it. You can make a scrunchie at home as well. And a big shout out to Layla for buying me this tie-dye set for my birthday. That's it, guys! Remember to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye! See you next time!